Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to pick a color using the Eyedropper tool in Kilonotes. Open the app and go to one of your notebooks or documents. Now select the text that you would like to change the color of and click on the one of the colors twice. And here is the eyedropper tool. Click on it and then go to the picture or to the place where you would like to get the new color of, and when you like the shade, click on this check mark icon plus, and now you are using the same shade. Hope you will like this, and thanks for your attention.